How you doing? I'm going to show you how to replace your Toro Snowblowers pull cord. They're all pretty similar. It's very easy to do actually. There's 4 8mm bolts, which I used a 1/4 inch ratchet and a long extension to get in there. Pull these 4 8mm bolts. Here are the 4 8mm bolts that had to come off in order to get this on. Very easy.
And just like that, I have a frayed, practically broken pull cord. I'm going to show you how to replace this pull cord. It's super easy.
So I just got this out of the shed, did the oil change, spark plug. You can check out a link in the bottom in the description for a video for that. And of course my pull cord is shredded. I believe 4 bolts. I'm going to use a 1/4 inch ratchet with an extension and an 8mm on it. I gotta say, these bolts are on there pretty hard. I'm actually surprised on that. It's kind of taking a lot to break them loose. Wow, that was hard. There we go. I got my pull cord off. So basically, you can see it's shredded right there. That's no good. When I need this to work, it's not gonna work. I'm gonna get inside and do this in the house. I went into the hardware store for $5 and I bought about 5 feet of pull cord rope. So since mine is not broken, we're gonna watch how many times it spins here. So I'm going to use this as a counter. 1, 2, 3, 4. I guess that. So I guess maybe that's 5. You can count in the video to see for yourself. I guess it's 4.5. So if we went 5, it's probably pretty good. So I'm going to pull this all the way out. And this is where the rope goes in, obviously, and this is where the knot ties. So I'm going to stick a screwdriver in here to hold it. 1, just 1 I guess. I'm going to stick that screwdriver in there. Now I burnt my rope ends here. That way they don't get frayed out. So I'm going to pull this out. Might as well just cut this or untie it or whatever. So now that I have something in there holding it all the way open so my rope is all the way out, I'm going to give it a cut. Oops, junk. Pull this out. Check out this. Cut my handle rope here. I can pull it out, it doesn't matter. Cut's fine, I'll just pull it out. I can't pull it out because it's frayed. So I cut that. Jesus, this scissor sucks. There we go. So I'm going to put this in here. I'm going to make a good knot. So that will never come out. That's that side. Then I'm going to feed this through here. This is going to be kind of hard. This is always hard to do. So you got to try to get it through. You're going to feed it in and try to get it out this hole right here, which is always difficult to do. So sometimes maybe you want to, back up a little bit. Make sure you don't lose grip on this though. Wow. That was actually pretty easy. I got it through like the first try. That never happens. I'm pretty lucky that time. So I'm going to put this back in there so it doesn't unwind. Tighten it, make a knot of this. Maybe double knot it. So the last thing you want is this knot to break or come loose when it's -10 out. There we go. I guess I'm going to redo the knot just to be sure. I want extra slack on there. There we go, double knot. There we go. So then, you pull that tight. I'm going to cut off the slack actually, because I don't want that getting in the way of anything. Then I'm gonna burn that so it's not frayed up, and it kind of makes a little knob so it won't pull out as easy. There we go, that's good. So now, pull it tight in there and let it unwind. There we go. Pull cord fixed. And again, it's just 4 8mm that go on here. So bring it back out to the motor, stick it on, and you should be good. Check out another oil change video I did on this snowblower and spark plug. The only tools I needed to do this pull cord were an 8mm 1/4 inch ratchet, extension on there, a knife, a lighter, and a flathead screwdriver to fit in here so this thing wouldn't unwind. That's it.